Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. I'm TJ from passionatecrafter.com and today's tutorial will be about this beautiful stitch here, which is super easy. It's a 4 stitch repeat, 4 row repeat. I have 2 swatches where I want to show the difference between different weight yarn and different type of yarns. Here is wool blend and this is alpaca blend. You can see the stitch definition for both of these yarns. It's Lion Brand Wool Venice and this one is Lion Brand Alpaca yarn. I used 4mm crochet hook. So if you are ready, let's start. It's super easy, and when you get used to it, it will be easy breezy for you. So let's start. For this tutorial I will use 7mm crochet hook and we'll start by chaining 17. The stitch pattern is multiple of 4 plus 5. So for tutorial I will start by chaining 17. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Now we have to make double crochet in 4th chain from hook. This is our setup row. Chain 3 is count as a stitch throughout the pattern. Now double crochet in each stitch till the end of this row. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops, yarn over, pull through. This is the double crochet stitch. If you know single crochet and double crochet, you can make this pattern. We will use front post double crochet 2 together, but I will show how to make it. It's super easy. I made my last double crochet. Now chain 1 and turn, single crochet in first stitch. This is our first row of our 4 row repeat, and single crochet across in each stitch till the end. It's 4 row repeat, but actually for each wrong side row you have to make single crochet in each stitch, which means you have to remember only 2 rows from this 4 row repeat. This is the first row, single crochet and single crochet on top of our turning chain 3. Now turn your work, just a second, turn your work, chain 3, and now double crochet in next 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Now the 4th stitch repeat starts here. We have to make double crochet, front post double crochet 2 together in next stitch of our previous double crochet row, which means we have to make it here in the 4th stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook in the double crochet of our previous double crochet row, yarn over, pull through for enough height, yarn over again, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. We have 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through these 4 loops, yarn over and pull through. Then you have to skip the stitch behind our front post double crochet 2 together and make double crochet in next 3 stitches. And you have to repeat this till the end of this row. Again, front post double crochet 2 together, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through for enough height, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. 5 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through these 4 loops, yarn over, pull through. Skip the stitch behind this front post, double crochet 2 together, double crochet in next 3 stitches. This is the 4th stitch repeat of this stitch pattern. Again, 1, 2, 3. In the 4th stitch you have to make front post double crochet 2 together. In the previous double crochet row, skip the stitch behind and make double crochet in next 3 stitches. This is the 2nd row of our 4-row repeat. Now chain 1 again for the wrong side and single crochet in each stitch across till the end of this row. It's super easy stitch pattern, 4 stitch repeat. I really like it. You can use it for decorative pillowcases, for scarves, cardigans, hats. Don't forget to make a single crochet on top of our turning chain because it's counted as a double crochet stitch. Now turn chain 3. And now we have to make front post double crochet 2 together in 2nd stitch here. Again, pull through forehead, yarn over, insert your hook and pull through. Skip the stitch behind. And now the stitch repeat starts here. Skip the stitch, double crochet in next 3 stitches. And here in the 4th stitch you have to make front post double crochet 2 together, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, insert your hook, pull through. 5 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Skip the stitch, 3 double crochet in next 3 stitches, and in the 4th stitch again front post double crochet 2 together, double crochet in next 3 stitches and front post double crochet on 4th stitch, and you have to finish with 1 double crochet stitch. This is the 4th row repeat stitch pattern. Let's make summary for you. The first is our setup row with double crochet stitches, then the wrong side row always is single crochet in each stitch, then we turn chain 3, double crochet in next 2 stitches, and our stitch repeat begins here. Front post double crochet 2 together in next stitch, 3 double crochet in next 3 stitches, front post double crochet 2 together, double crochet in next 3 stitches, front post double crochet in next 3 stitches. The wrong side row again is single crochet row. When we come to the right side row, chain 3, double crochet, front post double crochet 2 together in 2nd chain. Now our stitch repeat begins. 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet in next 3 stitches, front post double crochet 2 together in the 4th stitch. Again double crochet in next 3 stitches. In the 4th stitch we are making our front post double crochet 2 together, and you have to end with 1 double crochet. When you repeat these 4 rows, a little more, you get this beautiful stitch pattern which you see in my swatch here. I hope this video was useful for you. If you like this video tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below and I will do my best to answer in ASAP. You can see the different colors. I think with the whiter colors the stitch pops out better. The back side is really nice as well. You can see it's like a different stitch pattern here. So see you in my next video tutorial.